Hey everyone, let's dive straight into it. Today I'm going to talk about 8 hair washing habits that could be ruining your hair. Trust me, you might be making some of these mistakes without even knowing it. So let's get started. Mistake number 1. Washing your hair too often. Overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Your scalp produces natural oils that are essential for keeping your hair healthy and moisturized. When you wash your hair too frequently, you remove these oils, which can lead to dryness and breakage. Try washing it every 2 to 3 days instead. Your hair will thank you. This allows your scalp to maintain a healthy balance of oils, which can result in shinier and more resilient hair. Number 2. Using water that's too hot. Hot water can damage your hair, making it prone to breakage. The high temperature can weaken the hair shaft and strip away essential moisture, leading to frizz and split ends. Opt for lukewarm water. It's much gentler on your locks. Lukewarm water helps to cleanse your hair without causing unnecessary stress or damage, keeping it smooth and manageable. Alright, moving on to mistake number 3. Applying shampoo directly to your scalp. Always lather it in your hands first. This helps distribute the product evenly without overwhelming your roots. When you apply shampoo directly to your scalp, it can lead to product buildup and irritation. Mistake 4. Using the wrong shampoo. It's super important to choose a shampoo that's suited for your hair type. Different hair types have different needs, and using the wrong shampoo can exacerbate issues like dryness, oiliness, or color fading. Whether it's oily, dry, or color-treated, there's a shampoo out there just for you. Take the time to understand your hair's specific needs and choose products that cater to them. Now, number 5. Skipping conditioner. Conditioner helps to replenish moisture and protect your hair from damage. Don't skip it, folks. It also helps to smooth the hair cuticle, making your hair look shinier and feel softer. Mistake 6. Applying conditioner to your roots. This can make your hair greasy and weigh it down. The roots of your hair are already close to your scalp's natural oils, so adding conditioner there can lead to an oily appearance. Focus on the ends, where the hair is usually driest and most damaged. The ends of your hair are older and have been exposed to more wear and tear, so they need the extra moisture and protection. We're almost there. Mistake number 7. Roughly toweling your hair dry. Rubbing your hair with a towel can cause frizz and breakage. The friction from the towel can rough up the hair cuticle, leading to a frizzy and damaged appearance. Instead, gently squeeze out the excess water and pat it dry. This method is much gentler on your hair and helps to maintain its natural texture and shine. And finally, mistake number 8. Brushing wet hair. Wet hair is more susceptible to damage. When your hair is wet, it's in its most fragile state, and brushing it can lead to breakage and split ends. Use a wide-tooth comb or your fingers to detangle it gently. This reduces the risk of damage and helps to keep your hair healthy and strong. So there you have it. 8 hair washing habits to avoid for healthier hair. By making these small changes to your routine, you can significantly improve the health and appearance of your hair. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We have plenty of content to help you achieve your best hair ever. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care and happy hair washing!